somewhere else, like on the sidewalk or some sort? Because you got people coming in and out of this area.
Yeah, that's why I'm here, to spread the message.
Yeah, I get that.
Yeah, I can't spread the message. God bless the homeless. I can't spread the message on the sidewalk. I need people to hear the message.
I get that, but right here you got people coming in and out and you interfering with people's walkway.
No.
Like
I was clearly on the side like this.
Yeah, but do you have like a permit or something?
It's called the Constitution.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's called, the Constitution. That's my permit.
I get that.
Yeah.
I understand the whole homeless thing, and I feel for the homeless, but if you could move this like somewhere over there and not in the walkway of where everybody is at.
No, I'm not going to block anybody. I can guarantee you that.
I get that, but still, it's an office building. You got people coming in and out, people wondering like, okay, what's going on?
Just let them know. Can you just let them know I'm spreading the message, saying God bless the homeless when they ask about what I'm doing, and that'll help me spread my message even more.
I get your message and everything. We'll see, but it's just.
Yeah, if anybody walk through, they can have the walkway, and I'm gonna say God bless the homeless.
All right, just a second.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to give you a hard time or nothing.
I'm sorry, what you say, man?
I ain't trying to be on camera. You can get the camera on my face.
What you say, though?
Can you get the camera on my face?
Sir, have you had any training, man? It's called the First Amendment, man.
Okay, but you're not on the side.
I know, this is a public property that the taxpayers pay for. I mean, what kind of training have you had, bro?
Okay, but can you get the camera out of my face?
I mean, clearly you walked up to the camera. You walked up to me, but you walked up to me and you see I have cameras.
You walked and got the camera.
Like I'm having a great day, man. You're being very disrespectful and unprofessional, and I believe you need to get some more training, man.
Hey, can you just take your setup and move it to the sidewalk?
I'm not.
Off the walkway?
No, I'm not.
Well, you're gonna have to move somewhere else.
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm telling you, you're gonna have to move somewhere else.
Or?
You're just gonna have to move somewhere else. You can't stay right here and block the walkway. People don't want to be on camera when they're coming in and out.
Well, unfortunately, they're in public.
Okay.
They're in public. It's called the First Amendment. We have the freedom to the First Amendment. You know what that means, right? We have the freedom of press, the freedom of press,
of course I know what that
the
means.
freedom of speech, the freedom to assemble. Exactly what I'm doing now.
Okay, you can move it over there, onto the sidewalk and not over here.
But unfortunately, I'm not going to move because I have a legal right to be here.
All right, we'll see about that.